Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by spreadsheets? Want to turn raw data into stunning visuals and insightful analysis? Join us for a step-by-step guide that will demystify Google Sheets. From basic functions to advanced formulas, we will equip you with the tools you need to boost your productivity and impress your colleagues. Whether you are a accomplished beginner or looking to sharpen your skills. This is your go-to resource for mastering Google Sheets. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Sheets full tutorial. First of all I have to do is dive into workspace.google.com and you will find here the home page. You have just to log in and enter your email address and your password, then you get started with Google Sheets. So first of all, what is Google Sheets? Google Sheets is a web-based spreadsheet application that allows users to create, edit, and collaborate on spreadsheets online. It offers features like formulas, charts, and data analysis tools, making it a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing data in real time, accessible from any device with internet connectivity. So, first of all, you will find this page. As you can see here, we have template gallery. We have here a blank spreadsheet here if you want to get started, but we have also other options here if you want to, for example, to do a list. As you can see here, this is how it works. So here we have just to write the things that you have to do, and then if you're done with it, you click over here and it's done. As you can see, write also other things here. As you can see, then we have also annual budget here. About this one, you have here plan and track your monthly spending for the entire year. Here we have how to use this template to get started by entering your starting balance in row 13 below, then fill out the expenses and income tabs, then feel free to rename or delete category this in these tabs. Your changes will automatically be reflected on the summary tab, which shows an overview of your project's actual spending. Then we have other option here like monthly budget, Google Finance, and we have here other things like Google Finance investment, annual calendar, have here schedule, travel planner, wedding planner, we have team roster, pros and cons also. So then we have also the blank spreadsheet here. I will show you how you can get started with that. So here we have firstly the home page. As you can see, this is how it looks, and here we have the file first here, and if you want to entail this one, just write for example test. Then we have here if you want to make it important or star, then if you want to see the document status here, this document is not ready to offline, and we have also here if you want to save it, if you lose unanswered, then we have also here move it. If you want to move it on drive and send it to someone. Then we have also other options here like menus here, import file, and we have here file. So we have if you want to open, import, make a copy, and if you want to share, and if you want to name, also move, and other things. Also we have here edit, view, insert also. So we have here various options, data here, tools, extension, and we have help. Then we have your last edit was seconds ago. So then you have also show all comments, join a call here, or present this tab to the call. Then we have if you want to share here, and this is it. And this will help you to design your schedule. So for example, I will add something here. For example, one Then I will add, for example, the second one too, or I will add also one. Then if you want to select all this, you click over here, and if you want to select this one, you click over here. If you want to select this one, you click over here. If you want to select all, you click over here. As you can see, then if you want to just put it like that, as you can see, here you have also, if you want to copy, paste special, insert column left, right, and we have the column like that, and you'll find it like that. So for example, I will just write one here, and then I will write here, for example, 3. Here we'll write, for example, 4, and here I will just here the sum of this. So I will just go to here, and I will click over here, functions, and I will click over sum, as you can see. Then I will add all these things. Then you click over enter. So this is it. We have here 8. If you want to modify it, for example, this one, put it 5, it will be changed. Then you put here, for example, 2, it will be changed, as you can see. Also, we have here other options, like we have if you want to search the menus, if you want to come back like that. Here we have control, and we have here print format, and we have zoom here. Choose the size, as you can see. Then we have here also format, and we have here format as person, decrease decimal places, increase decimal, and we have here font. For example, if you want italic, or you want something like that, choose the one you want. Then we have here decrease font size. Then we have here if you want bold or italic, as you can see. Then we have the color here. You choose the color you want. For example, you choose white, or you choose black. Then we have your full color also. For example, I will choose this one, as you can see. So you have just to click over here and you choose the color you want. Then we have your borders, if you want like that. I'll select this one. Then we have also here merge cells, merge all, merge vertically. And you choose also here if you wanna this form, or this one, or this one. Then we have your vertical align also. And we have your text rotation. Here we have a function here, as you can see. So this is how it works with Google Sheets. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.